have launched the 4th season of My Suzuki My Story. Actually, it's a user-generated based platform where our customers share their story related to Suzuki. With this campaign, we would like to further strengthen the relationship between brand and the customer.
With a remarkable legacy of 40 years in the automobile industry, we take immense pride to our position as being the largest automobile brand in Pakistan.
स्विफ्ट अपनी लॉन्च की तकरीबन 1.5 साल पहले और उसकी लॉन्च का जो रिस्पांस था और का जो सक्सेस था वो हमारी उम्मीद से ज़्यादा बेहतर था, जिसमें हमारे डीलर्स के बहुत एफर्ट्स थे और उसके पीछे बाकायदा एक रिसर्च छापा।
Great transformation of Suzuki Genuine Oil, SGO. The journey of SGO started in 2012. Since then, the SGO was well known and well accepted among many customers coming to Suzuki dealers. All of these milestones have been a part of the SGO journey, which we will show now.
Ecstar designed basically for better engine performance by saving fuel consumption, and it's also an environmental friendly oil. It will use safe our future environment and will support for our new generation.